My name is Edith Hernandez, and I am a sophomore at Madison Area Technical College. For this project, we were assigned to visit a state natural area and conduct a modified bioblitz. The SNA I chose to visit was East Bluff, located in Devil's Lake State Park in Merrimack in Sauk County, Wisconsin. This natural area offers incredible opportunities for exploring stunning rock formations and soaking in scenic overlooks of the lake and park below. This SNA covers a total of 254 acres. Here is a map. And it includes areas from anywhere to open talus slopes to dry prairie and glade to open oak woodland and finally a closed canopy southern hardwood forest. A moist shaded grotto is also present downslope. So why is this area designated a SNA? The East Bluff SNA protects the East Bluff that rises nearly 500 feet above Devil's Lake. Along the bluff edge are among the best examples of dry prairie and bedrock glade within Wisconsin. The East Bluff was designated SNA in 1993 and is owned by the Wisconsin DNR. I visited this SNA on November 3, 2020. I used an iPhone XR cell phone for photography and printed my EAT sheet to jot down observations. I spent about 2.5 hours here. This SNA falls under the Western Coulee and Ridges ecological landscape. Plants present at this location. The ground layer is dominated by Pennsylvania sedge with other grasses. Other herbaceous plants are columbine, shooting star, prairie coropsis, prairie alum root, field pussy toes, and large flowered yellow falls foxglove. Southern dry forest is dominated by white and red oaks with black cherry, shagbark hickory, big-tooth aspen, red maple, and white pine. The Alaskan Grotto is a unique linear geological feature along the south base of the East Bluff. Allowable activities include hiking, cross-country skiing, hunting, trapping, scientific research, outdoor education, fishing, wild edibles, pets, wildlife viewing, and rock climbing at own risk. The following is a list of native species I identified here. The first being marginal wood fern, which is the one I circled in red. Next was bushy aster, eastern white pine, eastern red cedar, round-headed bush clover, golden rods, white snakeroot, staghorn sumach, jumpseed, long-backed wild indigo, and finally prairie alum root. I also spotted the following invasive/poisonous plant species: honeysuckle 3 times, garlic mustard 6, poison ivy once, and poison sumach once. Human impact. On the trip there, I noticed trash 4 times, footprints 8, and vandalism 6 times. The most amazing geological feature was the talus slope. Reaching the slope was a challenging hike for me, but the view overlooking the lake and below was beautiful. I also enjoyed seeing the different rock formations. I visited Devil's Doorway and the Balanced Rock. Overall, the SNA offered incredible views of unique sites, native plants, animal vegetation, and natural communities. I definitely will be back to get to the potholes. There were lots of empty water bottles and dog waste bags left behind on the trail up to the SNA. Once at the SNA, there wasn't as many. I believe the easiest way we can protect the trail and the SNA is by cleaning up after ourselves and our pets, and respecting the vegetation by staying on designated trails. How to improve. Something that could be improved at the site is replacing vandalized signs throughout the path. Also, for the assignment, we were informed to write down GPS location, and for these, it was just tedious to write down all those numbers. I found that if you have your location on for your photos on an iPhone, you can upload your picture to iNaturalist, and they provide the GPS coordinates which are consistent with the ones I wrote down. Therefore, you just have to take a picture, and then later you can get the coordinates, giving you more time for observations. Thank you very much for attending my presentation, and I'd like to acknowledge Dr. Kit Carlson, my instructor, for all her help and guidance for this, and for my niece, Gabby Jaramillo, and joining me on the trip to visit East Bluff.